Welcome to this in-depth guide into using ZBrush for jewellery creation. Now, if you're looking for a course on jewellery design using ZBrush, then look no further. Now, I mean, this is the most comprehensive course on ZBrush for jewellery designers on the internet. Well, why? Because it has over 220 videos and over 50 hours of video content, and it's growing all the time. So what's special about this course? Well, look, I don't confess to being a jeweler, but I was sure that the techniques for jewelry design could be easily transferred across to ZBrush, and nothing was going to stop me from searching for a solution to even the most complex of creations. So the journey began after tons of research on the manufacturing process and countless testing and R&D work that I did inside of ZBrush. And I started to compile the actual sort of Bible for jewelers wanting to use ZBrush. Further to this, I communicated with professional jewelers, asking them what they want to see and what they wanted to achieve. So 3 months later, I produced my second and most comprehensive course on designing jewellery in ZBrush. I produced the first course a while ago, and it's actually on Udemy, and I look at it now and it just pales into insignificance compared to this massive mega course. I'm also backed up with a special Facebook group for students of the course with lots of professional jewelers that are already on the course and taking the course, and I am communicating with them. So lastly, I would like to mention that I'm still adding to the course, so any new requests or techniques I develop will be added as new sections. So check out the full syllabus at courses.mojomojo.design.